Most people think na si Satan will come to them like this. Yan, yung may sungay at yung may pitchfork. No, the Bible said Satan disguises himself as an angel of light. Isipin niyo yung most deceiving or most cunning way na pwede niyong ma-imagine. Ganun siya magtrabaho. Pwede niyang gamitin yung pamilya mo or yung close friends mo. For example, sa kaibigan mo, isa kang people pleaser. Kapag niyayakan ka nila mag-inom ng alak, hindi ka makatanggi kasi natatakot ka na baka magtampo sila. Satan and the demonic spirits can use them para mag-inom ka. At kapag nalasing ka, you are becoming weak. Hindi mo na-realize but you are giving an access to the devil para mag-commit ka ng sin. Alam nyo na kung ano-ano yung possible na sin na pwede mo makommit kapag lasing ka, di ba? Another one is sa music lang na pinapakinggan mo. Alam mo ba yung tenga mo ay gateway? Kung ano madalas mong pinapakinggan, it will affect the thoughts na pumapasok sa utak mo. You may not even realize it, pero you are giving an access sa mga unclean spirits. Ang daming music ngayon about sex, crimes, immorality, drugs. Hindi mo na-realize kasi ini-enjoy mo yung beat. Kasi trending yung music. Or pinapatugtog ng mga tropa mo. Bakit ko sinasabi to? Kasi importanteng malaman natin kung sino ang kalaban natin. We don't battle against flesh and blood. We battle against principalities. Sino yung mga yun? That's Satan and the demonic spirits. Alam mo ba na 5 billion ang non-believers sa mundong to? 2 billion lang ang believers. Think about that. That means mas maraming followers si Satan kaysa kay Jesus. That's how fallen and corrupted this world has become. We are in the spiritual battle. The Bible said Satan is the father of lies. No truth in him. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag sinabing no truth in him, as in no truth, puro siya kasinungalingan at panlilin lang. Kaya nga sabi sa Ephesians 2 verse 2, tinawag siyang Prince of Air. Bakit Prince of Air? Katulad ng hangin, hindi natin alam kung saan siya nanggagaling, saan siya nagmumula kapag umaatake na siya. But think about that. Hindi siya tinawag na king, kundi prince lang. That's because there is only one king, and that is Jesus, the King of Kings and the Lord of Lords. Amen?